Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, you're going to learn how to remove color cast in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by duplicating your background layer. Next, click on Filter from the top menu and choose Average from the Blur dropdown. This will result in a solid fill of the average color cast. Use Command or Control I to invert this layer. Now change the blending mode of this layer to color. Reduce the opacity of this layer until you stop seeing the inverted color. It seems like there's still some blue color cast left. Click on the New Adjustment Layer button and choose Curves. Drag the Curves layer in between the color cast and the background layer. Use the Curves line to lighten the highlights and darken the shadows a bit. Click on the New Adjustment Layer one more time, and this time choose Hue/Saturation Adjustment. Clip this to the Color Cast layer and play around with the Hue and Saturation sliders to reduce the blue color cast even further. If you would like to go one step further and increase the contrast of the overall image, add one more Curves adjustment layer all the way on the top and change the blend mode to soft light. Now bring the Curves line up a bit to your liking. To prevent the highlights from blowing out, click on FX and choose Blending Options. In the Underlying Layers section of BlendIf, hold the Alt or Option key and break the white slider. Now drag the left half of that slider all the way to the left. Finally, let's look at the before and after images. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.